In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an internship on LinkedIn. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, on your PC, laptop or web browser, what you want to do is go to linkedin.com, make sure to sign in. And then once you're signed in, you want to hover over your profile, click onto it, and then click onto view profile. And now from here, you want to click onto add profile section and then click on add position. So one thing to note here, when you add an internship on LinkedIn, you can notify the network. You can have that toggled on or off. So if this is toggled on, all the people that's in your circle will be notified. If you turn it off, no one will be notified of the change in your profile. So keep note of that. Now for the title here, you need to type in internship. Then once you typed in internship, you got different internships you can use. So if it's a trainee, a summer internship, marketing, etc., you can click on the one that best suits your situation. So for this demonstration, I want to do a student intern. And now employment type, you can choose from full-time, part-time, etc. So I'm going to do full-time. And now you want to put in the company name. So for example, I want to just leave it at Microsoft. And then choose the company here. And then put your location. I'm going to put in Australia. And then location type. So you can do on-site, hybrid, remote. So I'm going to do hybrid. And then choose your start date. So I'm going to, for the demonstration, I'm going to do January of last year. And then if you want, you can add in current position as of now. And then you can put in a description. So let's put in test. Scroll down, you can add skills to your internship. And now once you've filled out this profile here, this add experience of the internship, go ahead and click on save. And now this is going to go ahead and save this to your profile. So your position has been added. Next, reconnect with your network by sharing your current position. So you can share it if you want, or you can skip it. I'm just going to skip it. And now you can add an email address to receive a 6-digit code. Oh, sorry, this is something that I need to do to verify my LinkedIn. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. See you in the next one.